All right, one of my bonus materials here is visually showing angle sum of the polygon. Now, normally I draw this out through my OneNote, but again, this polypad does a really good job of this, and I'm going to show you a couple of cool little features. So I've already kind of preloaded the shapes to then get down to n-sided. So first shape, obviously triangle, number of sides. Now, pretty cool little feature you can do here is by selecting it, clicking on the musical instrument, you can choose what music you want. By clicking play, you can see it counts it all out for you. The number of sides is clearly 3. It was measuring the perimeter, so I used regular polygons for this. And therefore the number of triangles is 1. Filling in the blanks, so we can use, we can draw it in or we can type it in. We know that the angle sum of this polygon is 180 degrees. Now this is where it gets pretty interesting and cool. Again, we can understand the number of sides, but as I showed in the previous video, we can actually start cutting these shapes up. So that whole, how many triangles are in this shape, just click on it, click cut, and just go from corner to corner. And you can now see quite easily I've got those 2 triangles. Okay, so start to write down the 2 triangles, angle sum 360. Continuing on with this trend. Now, if you don't like the piano, you like a duck, you can make it duck. It's a bit weird. But again, more importantly, I'll just zoom into this part. Again, we're going to cut. So picking one corner and cutting up the shape. You can see your 3 different triangles. Now, if you ever make a bad cut, you can always bring the item back together, highlight, and join it up. But again, just going to cut this up. I've got my 3 triangles there. And 3 lots of 180 is equal to 540. And we can obviously move our way down. Same technique. Just change the duck. Wasn't the greatest. Let's do that one. That sounds a bit better. Okay, so 7-sided shape. Go to do the cuts. Now, we always have to keep clicking back on shape. It doesn't continue on with that function of cutting. There you go. We've now got, and you can, change the colors to just really show all the different ones we've got. There are 5 there, and again, we can go into our working towards our polygon, angle sum of the polygon rule, so the n-2 times 180. So that one's there. You can take that, use it, play with it, create your own, or develop it further. But it's really nice thing that I've done in past lessons through OneNote, but now through the polypad just makes it quite easy and interactive for the students. Hope you like that one.